See that? Well, video. There's Jeannie back there. Okay, ride by me.
Okay.
I'll get a video going by. Yes. Oh yeah, there goes Jeannie. Oh yeah, there she goes. Super cycler.
Oh,
Low, going medium at least. No, I'm gonna do it down by the river. Just follow the path. Yeah, we're just going down. These are all nice houses along here, some really nice houses. Yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah, there used to be small houses like this one here. And then they knock them down and put new ones up. There is some really nice ones along here. Jeannie's going like mad. She's a wild woman. Yeah, she's a wild woman on that bike. I can see why Mamie's concerned. Here we are going along the park, Archibald Park this is called. There's a skating rink over there. Here we go, off we go. Jeannie, she goes pretty quick. Jeannie, up here we're going across this bridge up here. No, you go. Just turn on when you get up to this bridge up here. You'll turn and go. See how we're going across there? There's some geese. Why? Yeah, you'll be able to do. Turn right. Where that bike's coming out. Oh, it didn't signal. Pretty neat, eh? Huh? Now you're crossing the river. That over to the left, that's a dog park. Ryder goes down in there. That's where he goes. He loves coming down here. Yeah! Okay, turn right up here. You want to go down a little tougher trail or? Okay, Mamie doesn't like going down that one, but I'll show you. You follow me. To the right here. Yeah, here he is. No, you go. I'll follow you. Yeah, just follow the path. Oh, Jesus, no hands now. Oh, I can see. Got another cyclist with us now. fixed this path up really nice. Oh boy, we got a little bit of wind here now. Hopefully not getting too much wind noise on that old GoPro. They fixed his path up nice. There's the dam. I don't know what that is out there. There's a guy, Jeannie. Hi, Jeannie. There's a guy out there. There's a guy out there fishing, and right in the middle. Wow, that's the first time I've ever seen that. Not very deep, eh? Well, I've never seen that before. So would I. Yeah, I guess so. Thank you. The other side of this bridge, we'll have to stop there. How do you like it in here? Ring your bell. Oh, it's the next. Keep going down this way. Yeah, straight ahead. Yeah, you don't need to go. We can enjoy the view. It's beautiful. It's really nice. There's downtown, our big downtown. We don't have very many big buildings, do we? See, this is just as good as the boat, isn't it? This is as good as going on the boat. Hi. They haven't fixed this path like the last one. Got bumps on it. This is a beautiful ride. I could go here every day, especially when it's so nice outside.
Yeah, there's that lady.
Thank you. Jeannie says she's not going very fast. I can't keep up to her. She's too fast. There's that park we were at yesterday. Yeah. All the University of Saskatchewan here off to the left. To the right. Right. Yeah. No, stay straight. Stay straight. Yeah, well, I meant didn't want you to go to the left there. More of the university here.
Just come back.
People that ride to their classes go up those other paths. Those other paths that were to the left there, they go up, and people ride and go up that way. They ride their bike and go to university. Yeah. Pretty nice views, eh? Oh, it's okay, thank you.
Rough Riders.
Yeah, it's Rough Rider guy here.
Love that.
Right on. They're in town, you know. Right on. Guy said he just come all the way from New York for this. Oh, doggy. Doggy, oh yeah, they're walking good. Hey, it's okay, buddy. Yeah, oh, yeah. You like this? Yeah, pretty nice in here, isn't it? Okay, Jeannie. Okay, up here, we're gonna go down this path here. To the right. You want me to go first? You should be able to go. Okay, this one is not too bad. You have to be a little bit careful. Okay?
Be careful.
Yeah, I know. Okay. There we go, a little tougher trail. There's Jeannie back there. I'm videoing you. Jeannie, you doing okay back there? It's nice in here, eh?
Oh,
It's nice in here.
yeah, I like the big jungle.
Yeah. Hope I don't wipe out going in here. Alright. Are you getting bugs in there? Pretty wild, eh?
Yeah.
You're a real biker. Rough Rider guy here.
Woohoo!
There's Jeannie back there. Hey, we're almost out. Gotta stop for a water break. Yeah.
Gosh, good riding.
Oh yeah.
It's nice here.
Oh, my wrist is hurting.
Oh, bless.
Oh.
You should
Good riding, Jeannie. High five. Hey? Wow, I tell you.
It's good sights.
Yeah, I tell you, that was some talented riding.
Thank you.
There's the Bisbro. Lots of times they hold concerts in behind there. See all the grass area?
Yeah.
They took that off. It used to be Rock the River used to be there, but they moved it down.
And they hold concerts there.
We'll be riding by there too.
Nice.
Okay, I gotta get my water out. courts. They're at my table. Oh boy. We'll have to stop here. I want to get a video here anyway.
Wait, put us up here.
Yeah, I want to be able to get this video here.
Canada Goose.
There's some $1 million homes along here.
Really? That's nice.
Yeah, because they all back the river.
Of
Their backyard's the river.
course.
Yeah, you could buy one of those. How do you like this? Yeah, isn't that something? Imagine when they're all leaved up. It's just like a canopy. Look at these places. Hi. Look at, they're starting to flower. That's the same color as our tree's gonna be. Look at this one. When I went to school around here, one of my friends lived right there. He has a big pool in the backyard. gotta smooth our path on. Alright. Look at this, a big picnic. This is where Mamie doesn't like driving.
Sorry?
This is where Mamie doesn't like driving. On the gravel.
Yeah, fair.
Okay, here's a spot. Boy, got a spot.
I'll just be able to step off.
Huh?
I'll just be able to step off. I just need to sit my head.
Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers to Canada.
Yes, to Canada. Hey, Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Little stop on our bike trip here. Huh? There's a bison? Oh yeah. See it in my mirror. Oh yeah, he's trying to go upriver. Hello. This is the Gordie Howe Bridge. Gordie Howe Bridge, approaching the Gordie Howe Bridge. Our famous hockey player from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Yeah, it's cold down here, and no sunshine. Yeah, that was cold. Woo!
I'm gonna reflect.
Yeah.
My arms. Feel how
Whoa.
cold they
Oh, you got, what are they called?
That was so
Goosebumps.
cool.
You got goosebumps.
Yeah. Ah!
Up here we can go as fast, pretty fast. We'll go wide open along here.
Let's take him on.
Along here, if I'm riding home, this is the way I go. See, there's the road we take home, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Lots of times you've seen us on that one. Last night we drove on it.
Yeah.
But you can ride all the way along. That's the golf course right here. There's a green right behind here. So it's a golf course. We can go fast right here, I'll tell you. Get her wide open. Put her on high. Just careful through here. $35. We'd be speeding going through the school zone. Yoo-hoo! Fun riding when you don't have to pedal. Eh? It's fun to when you. I said it's fun when you don't have to pedal. It's fun when you don't have to pedal.
I know.
Eh? Just zoom along. Might see a few homeless along here. Yeah, I've seen them down there a few times. Boy, that river is way down. Look at that. That's the river's way down. I think that's just the stuff coming off the trees. So, see those trees right there? They drop all sorts of seeds, thousands of seeds. Up here is where the canoe club, that's the swimming pool right there. There's a slide and everything there. See the slide? This is the canoe club right here, rowing club. That's a skateboard park. No, I'm not a skateboarder. There's usually a bunch of kids out there. Oh, I went through a bunch of bugs. Did you feel those bugs? I went through a bunch of them. But you got a really good, yours is the best seat. Rita likes that seat. It's got lots of spring and cushion. She's got riding pants that have cushion. Yeah. More bugs. I like it right along here. Eh? Yeah, it's beautiful. You want a photograph here? No, that's good. Yeah, this is nice, eh? That's where all those houses were right there. Remember I said there's $1 million homes?
Wait, sorry, I'll put my photograph.
Where? Over here we got it. There's the building. You want me over here?
Stand there.
There?
I'll get the view. Okay.
Rough Rider guy. No.
Oh yeah, do that. Yeah. Oh no, I can't see it. Yeah. That's good. That's a good photograph.
Can you have ice cream? Can you have that? Do you have ice cream? Do you want some? It's up to you. Okay, we can have one if you want. Okay, we'll stop up here. No, we'll stop up here. This should be open. This is where we had our meal. Yeah, right there is where we ate that day.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hearth. Okay, we're off. Was it?
Yeah.
We're gonna go on the road up here. Just stay to the right.
Okay.
I like that. That's an old bridge.
Oh, that's pretty.
But it used to be. It's a new bridge, but they made it in the old style.
Oh,
That's the way the bridge used to look.
I like it.
Yeah. There's a goose. There's a goose there. Probably having babies already. I will go on this path. It doesn't look too bad. That way we don't have to go on the road. Lots of times it's really busy here.